got to make your hands messy.
That's how street food should be.
నెల్లూరు చేపల పులుసు.
Crab fry.
सुबह से रात को तक इडली डोसा और बज्जी वड़ा.
So we have around 30 to 40 special biryanis.
30 to 40.
Yes, yes.
These are a famous అరిసెలు and బూరెలు. It's called Passion Delight. Andhra version of a Trestle cheesecake.
आंध्रा क्विजीन के जाके के सफ़र को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम लोग आ चुके हैं नोवोटेल विजयवाड़ा वरुण और यहाँ पे एक रेस्टोरेंट है जिसका नाम है फूड एक्सचेंज। ये एक मल्टी क्विजीन रेस्टोरेंट है जहाँ पे आपको नॉर्थ इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन, कॉन्टिनेंटल, पैन एशियन मिल जाता है और इन्होंने स्पेशली हमारे लिए आंध्रा थाली क्यूरेट की है। 2 तरह की थाली है, एक वेजिटेरियन है, एक नॉन वेजिटेरियन है। दोनों थाली में कई सारी चीज़ें खाने के लिए, तो हमने एक सेपरेट प्लेट ले लिया है और इसमें निकाल के अपना खाते रहेंगे। ये आपका तवा चिकन है, फुल ऑन क्रिस्पी टेक्सचर है और हल्के मसाले हैं। ये आपका चिकन पुलाव, फुल ऑन मसालेदार है। ये कोकोनट राइस है, फुल ऑन घी का फ्लेवर है। फिर बीच में दाल आ रही है, चने की दाल, उसका क्रंची टेक्सचर, कड़ी पत्ता का फ्लेवर, उसका मस्टर्ड सीड्स का फ्लेवर, जीरे का फ्लेवर, बहुत शानदार है।
राइस ले रहे तो मटन करी ले लीजिए।
मटन करी?
हाँ जी सर। सबसे स्पेशल यहाँ पे जो मटन हमारा बाहर से आता है वो फ्रेश मटन आता है।
अच्छा।
हर दिन हम लोग का मटन आता है। 9 o'clock से बिफोर हम लोग आके कटिंग करके चले जाते हैं। वो फ्रेश मीट में हम लोग बनाते हैं मटन यहाँ पे। तो बढ़िया उसका रिजल्ट हम लोग को कुछ भी खाना बना रहे ऑथेंटिक साउथ इंडियन का प्रॉपर कुक हो जाता है।
इसमें कोकोनट भी है?
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ।
कोकोनट, पीनट सब कुछ है सर इसमें।
काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग नटी फ्लेवर है।
नेक्स्ट आप मशरूम करी ट्राई कर सकते हैं। मशरूम जेडी पप्पू कोरा बोल कर कहते हैं, तो कोई पोटोगोडोगोलो जेडी पप्पू कोरा कहते हैं। एक्चुअली मशरूम का जो तेलुगु में नाम जो होता है यहाँ पे आंध्र स्टाइल में पोटोगोडोगोलो बोलते हैं। दोंडकाय पीनट फ्राई है सर ये। हाँ जी,
ये बिल्कुल ट्रेडिशनल आपका आंध्रा डिश है।
आंध्रा डिशेज। हाँ जी सर।
दोंडकाया पीनट।
दोंडकाय पीनट फ्राई होता है।
सही। और दोंडकाया बोला तो अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं आईवी गॉड और हिंदी में इसको कुंदरी बोला जाता है।
कुंदरी बोला जाता
बोलते
है।
हैं।
हाँ जी सर।
राइस, दाल और कुंदरी का भाजी या फिर भुजिया बना के खाइए, आत्मा तृप्त हो जाएगी। पर पप्पू देखा है मैं ज़्यादातर थिक होता है, ये थोड़ा पतला है। चारू
ये
मतलब
चारू
है।
का मतलब इसलिए उसका नाम दिया गया है, थोड़ा सांबर का जैसा रहता है। ठीक है, इसलिए
खट्टा रहता है।
पप्पू चारू उसमें लेमन भी ऐड करते हैं हम लोगों ने।
हल्का खटास है।
हाँ, ज़्यादा मसाला वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है।
संबोर राइस।
राइस के साथ में मज्जी का पुलुस ट्राई कीजिए सर। मज्जी का पुलुसु मतलब वो दही थोड़ा पतला करके इसमें हम लोग तड़का मारते हैं। ड्राई रेड चिल्ली, जीरा, मस्टर्ड सीड्स, जैसे कि हमारा कड़ी का तड़का होता है सेम।
ये ठंडा होता है?
हाँ जी, ये ठंडा होता है। वो वाला हमारा कड़ी को हम लोग उबाल के ये करते हैं, बनाते हैं। लेकिन इसको क्या है, ठंडा वाला दही में तड़का डाल के मिला देते हैं इसको।
ये लाइट है।
हाँ जी,
लाइट है। अब मैं एंड करूँगा उल्वा चारू से। गेहद की दाल तो लोग बहुत कहते हैं कि आपको अगर किडनी स्टोन्स हो,
हाँ वो सबसे है,
उसको गलाने में काम करता है।
हमारा पहाड़ी एरिया में जो होता है वो उसको उबाल के उसका पानी पीने से मतलब आपको मेडिसिन का ज़रूरत नहीं है। 1 month कम कंटिन्यू आप सुबह ब्रश करने के बाद में अगर कुल्थी का दाल का पानी पियोगे तो एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा सब कुछ, स्टोन वगैरह। हेल्थ बेनिफिट बहुत अच्छा है इसका।
बहुत ही उम्दा डिश है, रिच है, क्रीमी है और टैंगी है। अब एंड करेंगे मीठे से।
चक्कर पोंगल है,
गुड़ राइस।
हाँ जी सर, राइस और गुड़।
इसमें तो अच्छी वो कैम्फर की खुशबू आ रही है, कपूर की।
हाँ जी, कपूर डालते हैं
डालते
इसमें।
हैं?
हाँ, इलायची पाउडर और कपूर।
वाह, चाला बामुंदी बहुत ही उम्दा है। इलायची का बहुत सटल फ्लेवर है, लेकिन जो कपूर का फ्लेवर है काफ़ी प्रोमिनेंट है।
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Dhanya. I have a page called Taste of Bejawada. So in our page we usually showcase the best food, lifestyle and everything related to Vijayawada.
Today evening we are going to experience the food of Vijayawada,
Yes, the local food.
local food of Vijayawada. And we are starting with this military hotel.
Yes, this is a military hotel. It's actually, I would say this is a hidden gem. It's not quite popular. Actually, there's a place called Appalraju Military Hotel in Eluru, which is very popular. So this is not that. This is a bit different, but the food here, it's very underrated, and I feel like they have one of the best chepalu pulusu, which is fish pulusu, fish curry.
There's prawns.
Yes.
And this
And
one?
this is fish. That's Bombay
Bombay Dailu.
Yeah. Basically like an eel. So there's only a single bone in the center. So it's quite easy to eat and it's a bit expensive also.
So it's very popular in Andhra.
Yes, it is quite
Bombay
popular in
Dailu.
Andhra. Yeah. And that is rohu fish, ragandi actually. I think it's rohu in English.
Okay, that's my favorite fish.
Oh,
I love
it's,
rohu.
it's actually very nice.
So it's cooked with mango.
Mango, yeah. Raw mango.
raw mango.
Raw mango. The fish pulusu, the fish curry, when they are cooking, they add raw mango for the tanginess. So this style of cooking is called, it's Nelluru Chepalu Pulusu. That's actually called. Chepalu means fish. Pulusu is like curry. The watery gravy sort of thing is called pulusu.
And then you have crab fry.
This is crab fry. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is fish fry. Same, rohu fish, your
Raw
favorite
fish,
one.
raw fish.
This is our signature thing.
Raw mango.
Raw mango and pulusu.
I've heard two to three different concepts. Like military hotel, one, theory is that usually the ex-military men who are like retired from the military, the defense thing, and when they want to settle in their hometown, since usually in the older times, there weren't more of non-veg places that were there, so they came up with the hotel where everything is prepared in-house and non-veg food is served. That is one theory, and the other one is for the military people who are practicing then, just for them to regain the strength and all, people opened up non-vegetarian places, and those are called as military hotels. So I'm not sure which one is the right one, because few people say this is the right one, few people say this is the
I
right
think the
one.
second one is right one.
Probably
It gives you
might
strength,
be.
maybe.
Exactly, that might be the
That was,
reason. Yeah.
A place where you get non-veg food, like military hotel.
Right.
Let's dig in.
It's like a flavor bomb in your mouth. And also the thing with pulusu is that it's not suggested to consume it when we prepare immediately. We need to at least like store it overnight, and if we consume it in the next day, the fish absorbs all the flavor in it and it gives the tanginess. So that is how usually pulusu is consumed.
You mature the gravy.
Yes,
है ना?
exactly.
Then you get that flavor. It's,
And just have the mango also. Take a bite.
so all the flavors are infused in
Yes,
mango. Huh?
yes.
Next, we'll try this one. It is a strong fishy flavor.
Yeah.
Yes.
Prawns. What is it called?
Chitti royal.
Chitti royal.
Yeah. These are like 120 count.
That's spicy.
Yeah.
Full on spicy.
You can actually taste the masala, the ingredients, the dried chili and all that, the roast, everything they'll roast it and pound it.
But the food is on a spicier side. So I will try some tawa fry. There's a layer of masala.
Yes.
It's very crunchy.
Yeah.
Huh? Crab fry. It's fresh, buttery, creamy. बहुत बढ़िया बना हुआ. The masala is very good. It's actually chala bagundi.
So this is the famous Sweet Baked Cakery. It's very famous for their recent innovation, a dessert actually. It's called Passion Delight. Andhra version of a Trestle cheese cake. This is sponge cake, which is like cut into 3 different layers. You can see the pink part, which is the strawberry crush or jam or something, blueberry, and there's pineapple. So how did you like it?
Truly
With your
delectable.
expressions, yeah.
बहुत ही उम्दा. It's like tres leches.
Yeah, it's actually like an Indian version of tres leches.
It's addictive.
Yeah, it's very addictive.
Yeah, and actually it's not over sweet.
Yeah, it's not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's very mild. So I don't think there's anyone who didn't like this dish. I mean, there might be people for whom this is not their favorite, but I don't think there are anyone who like hates it or something like that.
वो चला बागुंडी.
Yeah, this is really good.
Very good.
These are actually I think they're called almond cookies. Basically, this cookie is made of almond flour.
Okay.
There's no maida or something like that. It's just almond flour and it's very thin.
It's like a wafer.
Yeah, it's very thin.
Huh? Very thin.
These are called almond lace cookies.
Full on crunchy. Now this is a go-to street food for people of Vijayawada.
Yeah, Punukulu is obviously the go-to street food of Vijayawada, and this particularly is our favorite.
What?
This is actually made up of urad dal, idli rava basically.
So if you go to any place in Andhra Pradesh, the name of wherever they are selling pungulu, it will be Vijayawada pungulu.
Yeah, because Vijayawada is known for Punukulu. Actually, it's known for Kanakadurga temple and Punukulu. These two are the places which come into mind when anyone says Vijayawada. I think it is invented here, but everyone here, when it's like 4 or 5 p.m. in the evening, their go-to snack would be Punukulu and a cup of tea.
బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నా.
గుడ్. పేరు ఏంటి?
నా పేరు కొండలు అండి, చెట్టి కొండలు.
అండ్ హౌ ఓల్డ్ ఇస్ దిస్ షాప్?
మా అమ్మ మా నాన్న స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, మా మదర్ మా అమ్మ 1996.
1996.
అప్పటి నుంచి చిన్నగా ఉండేది వాటర్, చిన్న రేగుల్లో ఉండేది, పాకలో.
నౌ ఇట్స్ బిగ్.
అంటే తాటాకి ఇల్లు ఉండేది, చిన్న పాకలో ఉండేది ఫస్ట్.
అండ్ వాట్ టైమ్ ఇట్ ఓపెన్స్ అప్ ఇన్ ద డే టైమ్?
మార్నింగ్ 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. You start making pungulu.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock
ఇవి ఉండవు. టిఫిన్ దోశ, ఇడ్లీ, గారె, బజ్జీ, పూరి, ఇంకా అన్నీ ఉంటాయి.
This is an evening snack.
ఈ
3 p.m. So you have Mysore bonda, pungulu, mirchi
మిర్చి బజ్జీ, పకోడీ,
onion pakodi,
ఇడ్లీ,
idli. And you serve it with 2 different kinds of chutney.
అల్లం చట్నీ, మామూలు చట్నీ.
ठीक है, we'll taste it now. Thank you. Oh, so they give chopped onion as well.
Usually onions are not given for anyone, but since
Special.
yeah, it's special.
Thank you. धन्यवाद. So you mix both of them together?
Personally, that's my personal suggestion. Mix both of the chutney.
Okay, so we'll have it from here.
Yeah, take more of white chutney and a bit of alum chutney. The perfect combo.
Pungulu.
Yeah.
Very good. Super crunchy. It's like a thin layer from outside.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's because of double frying actually. They fry, first batch they fry it till semi-golden color, and again they fry it till it gets this nice golden color.
So usually people eat loads of chutney with pungulu.
Yeah.
I have seen them. They
Some
mix
people
properly.
actually, yeah.
They kind of mix the whole stuff together.
Right.
Like more like a, what do you call it? Like a bhel kind of thing. huh?
Right.
Like chopped onion,
Yeah.
coconut, peanut chutney, alum chutney,
Yeah.
then pungulu are mixed together,
Right.
and then keep adding more chutneys over
Right.
it. Huh?
Yeah.
Very good.
నేను పెట్టి 13 సంవత్సరాలండి.
It's been 13 years since this has started.
జస్ట్ 13 సంవత్సరాలు ఇదే బిజినెస్. బజ్జీ మిక్చర్ ఉంటుంది, బైకన్ ఉంటుంది, క్యాప్సికమ్, టమాటా బజ్జీ, ఎగ్, బటాన్ చాట్, టమాటా స్లైస్, పెరుగు బజ్జీ, ఆల్ మిక్చర్.
These are all the items that he has. This is a speciality in Andhra Pradesh. It's not just contained to a single city or something like that. It's quite popular over Bhimavaram and all the coastal regions of Godavari also, like East and West Godavari. In Vijayawada also it's very famous, the bhaji mixture. And our personal favorite is this structure. All the bhajis are pre-made with different vegetables, be it brinjal, tomato. They have like the normal mirchi one, capsicum, and some make with pudina also. Pudina, coriander, everything.
Okay.
So depending on what the customer asks, they make it into a mixture.
This one is mirchi bhaji.
Yeah, this is mirchi bhaji.
Okay, so when you
Yeah.
place the order, they simply chop it.
Yeah.
Then they add cornflakes, peanuts,
Yes, yes.
onion,
all the condiments
some butter,
and spices are added,
and all.
and they are like crushed
Mixed together.
everything together with the hand.
Wow, very good. It's actually like bhel puri. It's only that there is no bhel in it.
Yeah.
It's like bhaji mixture.
Yeah. Also in Bhimavaram side they add ghee also.
Ghee.
Ghee. They do add ghee and cashews also. Yeah. Bhimavaram style it's a bit more like semi-wet. It's not completely dry like this. It's a bit semi-wet. That's a different style. But nonetheless everything is made out of the besan ka bhajis only. Yeah.
It's good. Chatpata, masaledar or full on crunchy.
We can actually customize it according to our preference. Like if you need it more spicy or if you need it more sour, they'll also like add more lemon to it. If you need it more sour.
I know the mango ginger is amazing. मतलब आम का भी फ्लेवर है उसमें और जिंजर का फ्लेवर भी है मैंगो जिंजर में.
You see the preparation, it's very different.
So the bangan is stuffed.
Yes.
Oh wow.
All the spices
different
are
style
added.
of making.
Yes, it's very different. They won't mix it like the other one. They'll just cut it. That is the curd mixture with spices and condiments.
Wow.
Onion.
Loads of onion.
Yeah.
Cornflakes.
The cornflakes. and
Mango
that's
ginger.
Mango ginger. Again chili.
And without red chilies, Andhra cuisine is incomplete.
Yes, it is.
Lemon juice.
Yes.
And
You actually have to eat the middle part. That's
Middle
really good.
चलो.
You gotta make your hands messy.
हाँ, that's how street should be.
Yes.
Street food should be.
Instantly, like you can experience different flavors. The softness
flavor
and the
bomb.
bangan, and you can taste the sourness, and there's the spiciness from the chilies. There's some different amalgamation of different flavors actually.
Wow. हाँ. चला
My
बागुंडी.
favorite. చాలా చాలా బాగుంది.
चला चला बागुंडी. मतलब बहुत बहुत टेस्टी. हाँ. आपका नाम क्या है
मल्लिकार्जुन राव।
और ये रेस्टोरेंट आपका कब से है यहाँ पे?
कम से कम 30 साल पहले हो गए, पुराना का है, पूरा फैमिली बिजनेस है।
आप विजयवाड़ा के रहने वाले हैं?
हाँ, विजय रखने का है, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन।
तो क्या स्पेशल मिलता है आपके यहाँ पे?
मेरे पास इडली भी है,
हाँ
इडली भी मैसूर बज्जी, वो गोल वाली मैसूर बज्जी बोलते हैं।
हाँ
जासमिन मल्लिका,
हाँ, मैं मैसूर में खाया है.
हाँ मल्लिका, वो मल्लिका इडली अलग रेसिपी है, देखने के लिए वाइट कलर है।
हाँ हाँ.
वो रुई बोलते हैं, रुई कैसा, हाँ सॉफ्ट, इतना सॉफ्ट, इतने सॉफ्ट रहते हैं।
दादा बता रहे थे कि आपके यहाँ चटनी जो मिलता है सिर्फ कोकोनट मिलता है.
चटनी का
Pure coconut.
नारियल चटनी है, प्योर नारियल चटनी है।
कोई मूंगफली नहीं है, पल्ली नहीं है.
नहीं, पल्ली डाल, मिर्ची 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 और नारियल डाल देगा।
तो टिफिन का मतलब नाश्ता होता है.
हाँ जी, नाश्ता।
अब वो
हिंदी में नाश्ता बोलते हैं।
नाश्ता अब नाश्ता सुबह करिए या शाम में करिए
हाँ जी,
वो आपके ऊपर है, लेकिन नाश्ता का डिशेज जो वो मिलता है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। सुबह से रात को तक इडली डोसा, और बज्जी वड़ा।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. देखिए आपके दुकान पे ना लोग अपने बच्चों को लेके आए हुए हैं और वो खिला रहे हैं. जो खाना माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को खिला सकते हैं वो खाना अच्छा होगा.
हाँ, बच्चों के लिए।
यहाँ पे देखा मैंने बच्चे खा रहे थे. ये जो डिश है अभी पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को खिला रहे हैं.
ठीक, हाँ, इसको उपमा बोलते हैं।
उपमा.
उपमा, गेहूं सूजी है।
गो रवा हो गया, कोकोनट चटनी, अल्लम चटनी,
हाँ,
और ये आपका रवा डोसा.
रवा डोसा बोलते हैं। मसूर बोंडा, मसूर मीन दही, बोंडा इज राउंड वाले का बोंडा, मसूर बोंडा एक्चुअली।
अच्छा.
वो आंध्रा के मैसूर बोंडा।
बैटर में डालते हैं.
हाँ, मैसूर बोंडा हो गया।
अच्छा. नहीं तो इसका नाम आपने बताया कि मैसूर का मतलब होता है.
मसूर बोंडा।
मसूर मतलब दही
मसूर
है
मीन दही है,
और ये मैसूर बन गया.
हो गया नाम, धीरे धीरे नाम चेंज होगा मैसूर बोंडा का।
पूरा गोल्डन फ्राई है ना. जीरा, करी लीव्स, धनिया पत्ती. बाहर से बिल्कुल क्रिस्प है, अंदर से सॉफ्ट और
Very
फ्लफी.
soft and fluffy है.
स्पॉन्जी टेक्सचर है अंदर से
Yeah.
बिल्कुल, और काफ़ी एयरी भी है, लाइट भी है. चटनी इज ऑल्सो गुड. बहुत मज़ा. चला बागुंडी. हाँ, बहुत शानदार बना.
In Vijayawada till date, if anyone asks for the best tiffins or like particularly Mysore bonda, their go-to place would be Satya Sai only.
डोसा बोलते
कैसा है डोसा?
मिर्ची मिर्ची जिंजर और जीरा कैरेट
ये तो बहुत तीखा होगा, हटा देते हैं। People like spicy food. They love spicy food. हाँ?
ये कॉम्बिनेशन है दसरा डोसा कॉम्बिनेशन मिर्ची जरूरी है
हाँ। Not bit, थोड़ा उससे भी ज़्यादा है, मीठा है सांभर।
सांभर टिफिन सांभर अलग है वो खाना का सांभर अलग है
अच्छा।
खाना खाना का सांभर थोड़ा मिर्ची रहते है इसमें थोड़ा मीठा 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 रहता है
आपका जो चटनी है कोकोनट चटनी इज आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बहुत बढ़िया चटनी है।
प्योर नारियल अलग अलग जगह में अलग अलग नारियल है रेड साइल का ज़मीन में वो नारियल है वो सी कोस्ट में सी कोस्ट का नारियल अलग रहते हैं सी कोस्ट का केरला से रेस्ट में इसको थोड़ा नमकीन आता है सी बेड में थोड़ा नमकीन आता है ये रेड साइल का वो नारियल है
इसमें मैं कहूँगा ना हम लोग कहते हैं फ्लेवर प्रोफाइल में उमामी फ्लेवर, इसमें उमामी फ्लेवर है। आई डोंट नो, कभी पहली बार मैंने
They don't add any MSG.
yeah,
nothing
but
is
still
added.
like that's very prominent. Otherwise, usually I've never had umami flavor in coconut chutney. तो ये मल्लिका इडली आप बोल रहे थे?
It's very soft.
हाँ, it's soft.
ये मल्लिका इडली नहीं है सत्यसा इडली है
हैं? सत्य साई इडली। वाह। इस इडली को खाने के लिए दांत का जरूरत नहीं है।
ठीक है
so
जीप नहीं है
गया
जीप का जरूरत नहीं है अंदर जाएगा
अपने आप।
इतने हाँ इतने अंदर
सो
जाएगा
सॉफ्ट। एक तरह से दलिया है ना, गेहूं का दलिया। अब समझ में आया बच्चों को क्यों खिला रहे थे, क्योंकि ये स्पाइसी बिल्कुल नहीं है और उनके सेहत के लिए अच्छा भी है। सिर्फ इसमें प्याज है और सरसों है और थोड़ा गाजर है।
It's very simple and wholesome.
न्यूट्रिशियस।
Nutritious.
My name is Prakash and my father has started RR Darbar 17 years back. So our root is from a poultry business which was established around 3 decades, and from there we started as a small takeaway to just serve the guests, convert the raw product into finished product and serve it to guests in a proper royal ambience. So we thought of the name RR Darbar, and as the name stands, the ambience also should look royal. So that's why we have 2 floors here. So this is King's floor, so it's more masculine with red colored interiors and all. And the 3rd floor is Queen's floor, which is more feminine with light colored interiors. So, and we have 7 branches in the city of Vijayawada, which all have the singular concept of royal ambience. So yes, the menu is same everywhere, and we are
What
known.
is RR in RR Darbar?
So RR Ramana Raidu. So Ramana is my father's name, and Raidu was my dad's friend. They've started initially, but later on my dad just took it alone by himself and got it to this level. So we have around 30 to 40 special biryanis.
30 to 40.
Yes, yes. So because we want to cater to the regular guests, and even there are too many regulars that don't always want to try something new. And
So every day you can come here and try different style of biryani.
Of course.
Huh?
And we have today's specials, that keeps changing every day. And you have different biryanis. We have different type of dum biryanis also, like Zafrani mutton biryani, Murg Makhni dum biryani.
ये नाटू कोई,
Natu.
नाटू wings.
Not Natu.
So ये
From the,
from the movie.
yeah, Natu means raw.
तो ये आपने this dish was invented after the movie was released.
Yeah, just a tribute to the movie and the song. Yeah.
So they named this dish as
So once you eat this dish, you will start singing naatu naatu
Yes, of
naatu,
course.
or dancing.
No, that's the point.
Huh?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
इतना स्पाइसी तो नहीं है कहीं?
नहीं, नहीं.
हैं?
Properly made with desi traditional spices. Yeah, nothing special, but yeah.
You have garlic.
Yes,
Huh?
garlic.
Lots of garlic.
Yeah.
Green red chilies.
Yes.
Curry patta.
Yeah.
All those stuff.
And all the whole spices. Yes.
Delicious.
This is traditional Andhra fried chicken, unlike the Kentucky fried chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks spicy, but it's not spicy. It's very flavorful. Especially the garlic, the fried garlic. It has a different texture to it.
Yeah.
Super crisp and super juicy.
Yeah. So this is Murg Mehfil biryani.
Murg Mehfil biryani.
Yes, and this is Murg Muslim biryani, made with the whole tandoori bird and tossed in gravy. This is special chicken biryani, which is special in Vijayawada, served with boneless curry. And this is our authentic dum biryani. Yeah. Let's start with dum biryani first.
Yeah. But rice is very flavorful. On its own, काफ़ी fluffy rice है, मतलब light है, and it's non-greasy. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि it's like you feel heavy after eating it. So you use like basmati rice,
Yes, yes, proper. Yeah.
and it's mildly spiced. You're telling about this katta,
This is actually not the katta part.
not a katta.
Katta is very different,
Acha.
but this you can call gravy.
Yeah.
Katta नहीं है.
No, katta, our specialties are gravy, sir. Because katta
because
you usually
katta
get
no.
everywhere. But with our biryani, this gravy pairs up perfectly.
With these kind of biryanis, katta doesn't go well.
Yeah.
चलो, I'll pick it up. ये है चिकन मुसल्लम, मुर्ग मुसल्लम. Wow, this is very flavorful.
No.
It's like तंदूरी चिकन पूरे मसाले में लिपटा हुआ. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा उसको मक्खन में फ्राई किया गया.
Yes.
हाँ, बहुत शानदार. I would say like biryani is one dish which kinds of unites India. You travel all over India, you have different flavors. In fact,
Yes.
within state also there are different regions, there are different way of preparing
Absolutely.
it, different flavor profile. And you say like you have your own style of Vijayawada special biryani.
Yeah.
Huh?
This is Sweet Magic. I think it's been almost 25 years since they've started. They started as a sweet shop, but later they came into like restaurants as well. And they have some amazing sweets, Andhra sweets mainly. So basically in this restaurant what happens is this biryani called Ulavacharu biryani. These are the first people, these are the first guys who actually invented that Ulavacharu can be paired with biryani also. This has a very strong flavor, the Ulavacharu. So many people enjoy it, some people might not prefer it.
It has a good smoky flavor.
Yeah.
It's actually delicious.
Thank you.
जो उलवा चारू का टेक्सचर है काफ़ी रिच है, क्रीमी है और साथ में हेल्दी भी है. उलवा चारू इट्स लाइक हॉर्स ग्राम, इसको हिंदी में कुल्थी बोलते हैं, गेहत की दाल बोलते हैं. सो बंदर या बंदर?
Bandar.
बंदर.
Bandar laddu.
बंदर लड्डू. सो बंदर इज अ प्लेस इन
Yes.
आंध्र प्रदेश.
Yes.
सो इट्स मेड अप ऑफ बेसन
Yes.
एंड सम शुगर क्रिस्टल्स, मतलब मिश्री. सो इस बेसन का लड्डू
Yes. A different one.
काफ़ी अच्छे से पिसा हुआ है और इसमें मिश्री है, बीच बीच में मिश्री आ रहा है. दिस वन इज
Novundalu. Novulundalu.
सेसमी एंड गुड़.
Yes. Novulu basically means sesame and jaggery. And I think ghee is also there.
एंड दिस वन इज सुनंदुलू.
Bellam sunundalu.
बेल्लम सुनंदुलू,
Yeah.
मतलब उड़द दाल का लड्डू.
Yeah.
नाइस हल्दी फ्लेवर. दिस इज वन लड्डू आई वुड से विच इज वेरी रिच इन प्रोटीन,
Yes.
क्योंकि दाल है इसमें.
And fiber also.
फाइबर ऑल्सो.
Fiber also, because we are not removing that black husk, no? So it has a lot of fiber.
Good.
Usually for all the batters it's removed, but this one it's made of that black thing. So these are a famous Ariselu and Burelu.
तो ये किससे बनता है बुरेलू?
This is also made of like rice flour only. So rice is like sun dried and then made into flour. A few people add coconut also. It's called kobbari burulu. Kobbari basically is coconut. Yeah.
You can taste jaggery in it. Huh?
Yeah.
They are jaggery.
Even this is made of jaggery only. These are arisalu. So this is again made of like rice flour and jaggery
चलिए
and made into a syrupy like of consistency.
पक्कम
This is pakam. This
Pakam.
is cashew pakam. Jeedipappu pakam, you can say. This is actually made of sugar. You can also, people also make it, some people make it with jaggery also.
people like cashews here. I've seen it.
Yeah, yeah. Whole cashews are used,
Yeah.
not the
Like
broken
most of the
pieces.
dishes, like we were trying biryani also.
Cashews
they
are
cashews,
added, yeah.
Sugar candied cashews.
Yeah, the sugar is caramelized and
Pakam.
that's how it's made. This is Kakinada Kaja. It's very
Kakinada
juicy
Kaja.
inside.
Okay, full of sugar syrup.
Yeah.
This
That
one
is Chandrakala.
Chandrakala.
Yeah.
Chandrakala.
Yes.
मतलब चंद्रमा
Because
की
of the shape, you know, it's like Chandrudu basically is moon.
तरह. हाँ. Is it खोआ or सूजी?
There's a few badam actually.
Oh,
Usually,
it's like kalakan.
yeah.
This one is
This
again
is Malai Kaja.
malai kaja.
Yeah. Again, this is juicy and sweet.
बहुत अच्छा
you,
लगा
thank
आपके
you,
साथ
sir.
विजयवाड़ा एक्सप्लोर करके और
Thank you,
हमने
it's my
इतनी सारी
pleasure.
यूनिक डिशेस यहाँ पे आपके साथ खाई तो आई रियली हैड गुड टाइम एक्सप्लोरिंग द फूड ऑफ विजयवाड़ा विद यू
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure hosting you and showing around all the places in Vijayawada. I really hope that you visit Vijayawada again.